Hi everyone, Agnes here. Now, this is to announce a free study class. We are going back to Neville to go through this book, which is quite a thin one. And you don't need to have the book for the study class. You can just come and listen. And the idea is that we go through this and apply it to whatever you've got going on at the moment. Okay, so if you'd like to join the free study class, it is starting Sunday, the 19th of January from 4:30 to 5:30 London, UK time. And if you would like to come, just email me. My email address is down in the description below. Email me and say, I want the link, and I'll send you a private Zoom link, and then you can hop in every week until we finish the book. Okay? So that's it. Lots of love. See you soon.